Hey Pinky, wake up. It's time for Pointer Fun.
What's that? Learn about pointers? Oh, goody! You know, back in 1999, my father Binky set out on a mission to teach people about pointers. Unfortunately, like himself, that video hasn't aged very well. So today, I, Pinky, son of Binky, will continue his mission and go over what he talked about 20 years ago, but using the syntax of modern C++.
Well, to get started, I guess we're going to need a couple pointers.
Not so fast. First, to make things easier for new users, we need to add #include iostream and using namespace std to the top of the code. #include iostream will tell the program what library to pull information from. Additionally, we add using namespace std to the code to keep things simple for new users, so they don't have to think about when to add std : in front of pieces of code and when not to.
Thanks, Pinky. I almost forgot.
Anytime. Okay, getting back to those pointers. This code allocates 2 pointers which can point to integers.
Okay, well, I see the 2 pointers, but they don't seem to be pointing to anything.
That's right. Initially, pointers don't point to anything. The things they point to are called pointees, and setting them up is a separate step.
Oh, right. I knew that. The pointees are separate. So how do you do that?
Okay, well, for this example, we will have 2 new int variables, which by default have their own memory address in the program. Next, we need to assign the pointers to point to the address at which the variables are located. We do this by typing out the name of the pointer and setting it equal to the address of the variable by adding an ampersand in front of the variable name.
Hey, that looks better. But Pinky, both our pointers are pointing at the address of X. Is that possible?
Sure is. You can have as many pointers as you want to point to a specific memory address.
And since both the pointers are pointing at the address of X, they both see it.
Excellent point.
Awesome. Hey Pinky, why don't we set up a quick cout to test that one of our pointers is able to see and read the data in X?
Okay, let's just add a small line of code to the program asking it to output what data the pointer is pointing to.
Pinky, what is that?
Uh-oh, it looks like we forgot a step. You see, each one of the int variables has their own memory address in the program, and that's exactly what this garbage is, the memory address of X in the program.
Well, how do we fix this?
To fix this, I'll need my magic wand of dereferencing.
Your magic wand of dereferencing?
This will let us see the data that's being held in the memory address. All I have to do is add a little star in front of the pointer name.
Wow, are you kidding? Just that little thing made all the difference?
Very observant.
Okay, Pinky, I think I've got it now. So if I wanted to change what int value the pointer was pointing at, let's say pointer 1, I would just have to set it equal to the memory address of that int value, let's say y.
That's it. This would give you the data of X using pointer 1, then for Y using pointer 1 again, and finally X again, but using pointer 2. Now that we've covered this, there's just one more part I want to go over, using pointer assignments.
What's pointer assignments all about, Pinky?
For this, I'll need my magic wand of pointer assignment.
Oh boy, another wand.
For this, it's easy. If you want 2 pointers to point to the same int value, it's as simple as setting those 2 pointers equal to each other. Hey, so can we switch places now, or is it...
Oh, look, we're out of time. Just remember the 3 pointer rules. Number 1, the pointer and the pointee are separate. Do not forget to set up the pointee. Number 2, you need to remember to dereference the pointer to access the data in the pointee. Otherwise, you'll only find the memory address of that pointee. Number 3, pointer assignment is used when the equal sign is placed between 2 pointers so they point to the same pointee. That's all there is to it, really. Bye-bye.